In this video, I'm breaking down the key differences between a builder license and a building renovator license in Ontario, focusing on what each allows you to do when it comes to permits for additions, decks, and renovations. So, here's the lowdown. If you're dealing with renovations like adding a deck, knocking down a wall, or doing any kind of addition like expanding a room, you only need a building renovator license, especially in Toronto. That license is basically your go-to for pulling permits on those projects because renovations fall under that category, not new builds. The builder license, on the other hand, is strictly for new homes, like starting from the ground up after demolishing the old structure. The building renovator license is kind of like a contractor or general contractor license, but it's more focused on renovation work. This license lets you legally handle permits for all sorts of upgrades or changes to existing houses, including demolitions that don't involve rebuilding the entire home. Outside Toronto, licensing for renovators might be different or sometimes not even required, like in Pickering where you can pull permits with no license at all. But in Toronto, no license means no permit pulling as a contractor, so that building renovator license is essential if you want to work on existing homes there. Also, keep in mind that new builds with a builder license need to follow warranty rules through ONHWPA, which isn't the case with renovations under the renovator license. One of the biggest mistakes people make is confusing when to use each license, trying to pull permits for new construction with just a renovator license or vice versa. Another common issue is not checking local municipal rules because licensing can change city by city, like Toronto has strict renovator licensing, but some nearby towns don't even require it. Lastly, some contractors forget that additions and demolitions still count as renovations, so they assume they need a builder license when they really don't. The fix? Always double-check your local bylaws before starting any permit process, and know that in Toronto, the building renovator license covers most renovation and addition work except full rebuilds. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and are properly licensed. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors to find legit work without the hassle of chasing leads everywhere.